transfer of a page memory to the contiguous disk space. So there are two programs. One program is swapped in into the main memory. Another program is swapped out from the main memory. So program A is swapped out and stored it in the contiguous disk space, whereas program B, which is already present in the contiguous disk space, that is brought in or swapped in into the main memory. Valid invalid bit. So with each page table entry, a valid and invalid bit is associated. So V is nothing but a valid bit, I is nothing but invalid. So initially valid invalid bit is set to I on all entries. Example of a page table here. So V is valid, I is invalid. So during address translation, if a invalid valid bit in the page table entry is I, then it is termed as a page fault. Page table when some pages are not into a main memory. So logical memory see the elements of the logical memory, then a physical memory, then page table and a disk. A disk has all the elements which is existing in the logical memory, and some part of the elements of the logical memory is placed in the physical memory also. So whichever location the elements of the logical memory is occupied in the physical memory, that is A, C and F, that particular address value is stored here in the page table, that is 4, 6 and 9, and whichever value is existing, that is frame value existing there. Remember that physical memory is divided into frames, logical memory as pages. So page table is nothing but we are mapping the logical with the physical memory. To store that we have a page table here. So now here we have a page table with the valid and invalid bit. So 4, 6, 9, these are the frame values. So frame values will be stored in the page table there, and page table is once again divided into two sections there, frames and valid invalid bit. So 4th, 6th and 9th frame is occupied by the page A, C and F. So the frame value is stored there in the page table, whereas V and I, V is nothing but a valid bit. So wherever pages frames are stored, those particular place is denoted with the V, that is valid bit, and whichever values are not existing there, that is in page table, some of the frame values are empty there, none of the values exist there. In that case, such a bit is termed as a invalid bit. Page fault. If there is a reference to a page, first reference to that page will trap to the operating system, that is nothing but the page fault. Operating system looks at another table to decide invalid reference, then abort, and if it is not just into the memory, then the particular page has to be brought back to the memory. Get empty frame, swap page into the frame, reset the table, set the validation bit, restart the instruction that caused the page fault. So these are certain steps. First reference to the pages will be trapped by the operating system. So if there is a reference to a page, first reference to that page will trap to the operating system, that is nothing but the page fault. So what are the various steps involved during the page fault? So first look into the another table to decide whether there is a reference or no. Invalid reference means abort, or just if pages are not existing, get those pages back to the memory. Now we have to apply the concept of lazy swapper. Get empty frames, swap pages into the frames, reset tables, set validation bit, restart the instruction that caused the page fault.